In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or turn on the device startup sound on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the launcher menu, search for settings. Best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel now, select device. And on the right side underneath device, select audio. Scrolling all the way to the bottom, there should be something that says device startup sound. Click inside that oval to toggle to the right to enable it, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.